Rogers Ignite and Xfinity Xfi are separate Wi-Fi services from different providers, but they offer similar features for managing your home network. The 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band provides much better range and can penetrate walls more effectively than the faster 5 GHz band, though it's slower with typical speeds of 50 to 100 Mbps compared to 500 Mbps or more on 5 GHz. You might need to force devices to connect to the 2.4 GHz band for better compatibility with older equipment or Internet of Things devices like smart home bulbs or older streaming TVs that require stable, long-range connections. This is achieved through band splitting, which creates separate network names for the 2.4 GHz and higher frequency bands, allowing you to manually assign devices to the appropriate band. You'll use the Rogers Ignite app for Rogers systems or the Xfinity Xfi app for Xfinity systems to configure these settings and pair your devices. For Rogers Ignite, start by accessing your Wi-Fi settings through the Ignite app on iOS or Android, or by visiting my.rogers.com on your web browser. Next, disable band steering or Smart Connect to force the bands to split. This prevents automatic switching between bands. Then, create a unique network name or SSID and password specifically for the 2.4 GHz band. This separates it from the 5 GHz network. Finally, connect your devices by selecting the 2.4 GHz SSID from their Wi-Fi settings and entering the password. For Xfinity Xfi, use the Xfi app on your mobile device or visit xfinity.com/myxfi in your web browser. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Wi-Fi, and finally Band Steering in the menu. Disable band steering and create a separate network for the 2.4 GHz band with its own SSID and password. Connect your devices by choosing the 2.4 GHz network name and entering its password. Keep in mind that while splitting bands and using 2.4 GHz solves range and connectivity issues for compatible devices, it can reduce internet speeds since 2.4 GHz offers slower performance than 5 GHz networks.